Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another PC tutorial video here, and today I'm going to show you how you can install the latest version of Python on your Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your browser. I'm using my Chrome, but you can use any browser that you like. On the search button, type Python download and select Python download here. And now you can see the first search result Python, and the official website is python.org. Just click download Python here, and you can see download Python 3.11.5, and this is the latest version. Just click here, and as you can see, my download has automatically started. And now double click the download option here and close this window. And this is the Python installation wizard, and you can see the customized installation here, and click this option add python.exe to path. Just click here, and you can also see the customization installation here. You can customize your installation, but for my recommendation, you can keep it as a default. Just click next here, and now here you can see install Python 3.11 for all users. I recommend you to click that option. And this is the customized installation location. You can customize it, but I recommend you to keep it as a default as well. And now just click install here and just click yes. And as you can see, my installation process is started, and it will take a few minutes. Just wait a little bit here. As you can see, my setup was successful. That means my installation was successful. Now click close here. And now go to your search option and type CMD. That means command prompt. Just click here. Here on the command, just type Python. And as you can see, Python 3.11.5 is shown on the display. That means my installation process is successful. Just close this one. And now again, go to your command prompt. Go to your search form, and here type IDLE, and you can see IDLE Python popped up. Just click here, and this is the IDLE shell, and you can write any Python code and also can run it from here. And this is the way that you can install the latest version of Python, and that is the video. I hope this video helps you installing Python, and if this helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.